Hey guys, Jack is back. In today's video, I'm going to try and build an app to help me out with this whole YouTube thing. So basically the problem is, whenever I'm making a YouTube video, I find it really hard to find lots of good footage for the video. Basically, the problem is, I haven't got any of the fancy lights or the nice cameras, so I can't just put my face into the frame, you know, to just as filler footage. But whenever I look at other YouTubers, big YouTubers, all they have to do, because they've got the fancy lights, the nice cameras, they can just put their face in the frame, which saves them a lot of time and a lot of effort. And now basically what I want to build is an app so that whenever I speak, there's a visual indication on a web page. It will make it a lot easier to make YouTube videos for me, and hopefully I'll be able to start banging out videos every week or so. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So I set off to try and figure out how to get user input from the microphone, which was a great challenge. This might not be the move to use this stuff, I'm not gonna lie. A lot of the early stuff I was finding was really outdated and difficult to understand. Now, I found this video after a bit of searching by the one and only Coding Train.
Look at this. Localhost 8000 wants to use your microphone. If I'm gonna give permission, I've really gotta protect myself. So
he used p5.js to get input from the user's microphone, and with a stupidly small amount of code. Like, the amount of code he used was tiny. It's incredible compared to what I had found before. So I think you already know what your boy had to do. So after I copy and pasted the code from the video, I was left with this. Alright, volume, console.log, volume. Alright, let's go. Oh, this needs to be a global variable. Mad. Cool. So it's 0. So the console was logging out my microphone's volume at 0, no matter whether I was actually speaking or anything like that, which is really annoying. But the biggest disappointment was the fact that I'm incapable of reading an error message at the top of my console. Basically, the problem was that in Chrome's version 70, there was a new feature they added where no media can play at all until the user has clicked something on the DOM. They call it interacting with the DOM. I'm not quite sure what interacting actually means, but basically you have to click something or something like that before you can play any sort of media. This applies to video as well, but in my case I'm trying to access the microphone, so it still counts as media. So basically what I had to do was search Google. I just literally copy and pasted the error message in and then just typed p5.js after it. And I found this example. Basically what you have to do is you have to monitor when the user clicks it. So it's called touch started is the function name. And then you can just resume like all of the media that you're doing, which is, you know, that was shockingly easy to do. Oh, that's so cool. So I can make like the ball bounce whenever I speak. If I want it to go, I can just come up really close to the mic and I can make it fly. Oh, that's sick. Oops. Paste that bad boy in there. Hey! Yeah, man. So you can see the volume here, which is pretty lit. Alright, so I refresh the page. You can see I have to click the page first, and when I click the page, I can see that if I speak, the number goes up. Yeah. Alright, so if it goes up above a certain threshold, then I'll increase this out. So I'm going to design the page now. It's going to be quite quick. p5.js made this super easy, even though I found it hard to install it at the start because I'm a bit daft. I'm a bit retarded. That was really easy to do actually. p5.js, thank you, appreciate it. Yeah, I mean, that kind of looks alright. It's decent. So can I just do document.get.my.id? Let me just, and then if it's not the case, we'll just remove that. Elt, so it looks like we have to get the elt. Okay. Elt. Dot. Elt. Elt. Alright. Okay. So it's working now. Oh, that's sick, you know. Oh my days. Oh my god, okay, that's actually really cool. That's cool. I like that. It's a bit weird. If I go far away, if I talk a bit quietly, then it's a bit, you know, it's a bit on and off, but it's decent. I rate this. This is really cool, I'm not even gonna lie. Like, this is pretty lit. So the last thing to do is just add like a little transition onto it. So I can just do that by literally writing transition 0.2s ease. Yeah, man. So I click this. Yeah, that's kind of cool. Yeah, that's so weird. It feels so weird. I don't know what it is. Yeah, man, it's a bit mad. Alright guys, I've got to say thank you a lot for watching. I really appreciate it. If you could please hit the like and subscribe buttons down below as well, I would also really appreciate that. So once more, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in a future video. Peace.